Gusii. Ndizi TV. Ubwansu Gusii.
Vyakigi mwanchi muri ya bita Kisii and Ndizi TV ningo charagire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona maragoba asinde tukumira na semesa ya mangana Amayia elinde ngumanye nare yabereka korekana kora chingongo chansi enye Chinsa asinse mochichi mitandao asense ya Facebook na bakanda gutubwati abwetera Ndizi TV News Digital abaga sense media YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asense ya website gwetera www.ndizitv.net Fridah Kerubo nolio kanike mna chivi channel yogira wikira sole asenchira ya bene nere Sara mumanyi asense mwachi byarakele ni gutokubwatana Lydia Mose toskato nyegera bwira nanda segekege Kerubo elinde ngumanya mange asenchira yowenye manchi muri yangu kwangani bene linde tobeto gusanga asubwamo gochaka bona igagoika omwelyo Amayia yebire biganyo tukayachaka kurasoro bongoro busino roboti rogo cyane anene chingaki umubere bwo mungina oyomo asirita Joyce Gesare obakogotoka ase kenyorogia kenyerora ekegotoka ase wodi ya bugyakumu ebunge ya bunchari asomobero yobakogotoka asendiba ya gesonso okwana birori kura sense meyoni baba kwanike mna omungino yoniga kagire koba emyaka 55 nomo asige otebekana mna niga bete kagusira kurwa asinka ya yechitariki isana nemo ekieta asikulinde abakagotoka gasibire eguni nanya nabanigo abanyanyimbo baba wikirana ase Chinsemecho naboigo kwira omubero yoboika asenkendu ya kecharet singa kibaba go chake bene obotuki elinde kumanya oboine wenganeyo
Early this morning nanya oresi the manager Andrew Garo shamutinga there is something that looks like a umuverigumuntu or a dump dia sabare kulma magena. Then I came and confirmed thing I indeed no muntu chakire umuvero chakire kugunda tuntuanyo rabantu bechipiki baya batengu mungina na rosirete kenyorora twarangeria abanyene bali bati pa mukonfirm nga Joyce. You have talked to the son of Ebirengina igasirete last week tare sita
omuntu gotakongento mungina muyo yogotire otakuwa tikende okwerigeria nigintu kirekebe kabisa na handi tukugikikeria mundu bwansi okoreta mangana aya nera mubwati bwangu
twananga toketakuruye tauni ngotuko twiriru igasundegere gochikaberaga igonya ndi lights chibekire kuru bonjari ngima kanga ngo baya kwa batone buya twamanya ngo bumwe tuborendete alafu nagaro chema leo naye kwa kia kubina rode gaba ngina bakore tubakore batukutuka igaba kwenda kwa fence igaba esengenge pa fence iga undi bese okonyorekana onyara wako tegeri watwa
abagambi baitu baimukire iguro abantu bose bari bakora nsemo ya sector ya security batemango barigerelinga abantu baitu barendiro asinjira ya bene indelio ebikoro binge bune biga bigotoka kya bwango iga nainde kurwa nsemo abo mari bamoino nande no twarushi nande mongino ndega iga na lero noga
Tingaki chiskuru chigendete kuigora bene nigo omwaziri bobasombe Kipchumba Murkomen abaga kubwatoka ogochika na abo bisako rasekyombekeria NTSA nabigo abanyanyimbo ba traffic babakobeka obulendi asechipara elinde kwanike mnango tangabale imibasokano yechipara nonya naboni babantere bababere bagwasoke bene nabigo komochia obotenene kura sense media abanyanyimbo nabigo NTSA askiri bagateba buna nigo bakunererwa ase chipara na bigo kigali cyabo kubwatwa asinonya nabo babiri bakweneke n'abateneneri babo nigo bagwakana kibesa kinyinge erinde ko eneke nga kigali cyabo cyabere kikubwatwa asensemende nigo babiri bakubulia umuwaziri Murkomen ko eneke mnango bekale emirobere mekeno asokweneke obukoreri obya ase chipara
kinda chokwana igore NTSA eto hambo time ngati mnamona ga ya rush tokoba bana egera beke chiskuru ya ikiri chigari chito mpaka lito compliant kwanyora ngo bwata magoso masini ni abata teto beke chichuma echuma yeke tu abegete ega chiga sambeliwa banyora ngo to complain everything baikira bata tebringa nandi chumite ga nerigo sambeliwa ya gera kagosa gasini ni egari ya rusiwe number plate. The number plate ekere ya rusiwe, our managers, our directors, they use a lot of money kwenda kurusia gari elimu. Inchira rego saba ase CSC Murkomen akuwa namana abantu baye ekere kirenga kialas tafadhali batiga twara koba abana baikachi skulu on time because ekere ba kirega bakomekie chigari cha sono musuni ni chigari chetu cha sarika asama gosa masini ine gari ire para kera lituko mbanyeroche na baskari baito babere mo corrupt ageko garanga ebese ya paro tarueti ayo montere bana yo kobekira lawam ine bitina ebese na ntunto manyitinga nkaye bese yo chiagenda ageko goroko nyoronge bese ye pakere gari ro complete goikuru ebese anche
NTSA number 1 asokora kwane ase korone ngia ngogera bale batwene bo we as drivers na customers soko mukia gotwene bo toro sigari chito buya goto segeta bale gotwatia majika para ya bela gosira sama tuka mange number 1 gotokonya bale buna ko toriel korosia gari ebe condition yengia na no mogene karago cho twara gotamani go safiri ne gari yago na asinale bago chabato gosera na bono konyora bali go kwa time garo bago bwatire bago tema go sokorte naya abago go bwata ba kwarash baria ba atarago dia magosa ko tana ali o ba chira as far as go 310 ba Rusle number plate for example
Umara ibense Dr. William Ruto nigaberega kwesokia bene na boigo kwegerera emirobire ye serikali yo komenta evango aseni kibna yenenchire yemo yugokinia okonyara gwe serikali na boigo bokianya chibesa cha makabeso okwana nigo aini kibna nigo aringete komenta evango kurwa asekirengo Ikomi na nye igoro yemia oika 15 nemo igoro yemia ase aringete kwikirania ekere kemerongevere naivere igoro yemia oikachinga ki arabega korwa abisi.
And you know, Kenyans have been socialized to believe that they pay the highest taxes. But empirical data shows Kenya as of last year, our tax as a percentage of our revenues was 14%. Our peers in the continent is on average between 22 and 25%, which means we are way below, our taxes are way below those of our peers, you know. And I'm not comparing ourselves with OECD countries. You know, countries like France are at 45%. You know, others are higher. So I persuaded and I made a case to the people of Kenya that we must begin to enhance our revenue. Because if we are a serious state, we must be able to enhance our taxes. So my drive is to push Kenya. Possibly this year we will be at 16%. from 14%. I want in my term, God willing, to leave it at between 20 and 22%.
Ababwatani bobomo bwa Azimio la Umoja nigo bagosereire guchikorobekana onye finance bill yo mwaka w'ikibubere 2024 na bayigo mwaka w'ikibubere 2025 kigo chigwetigwa ase ebunge okwana omuraibiki amagya waipa Kalonzo Musyoka nigo abakagutugutirare engana yo komento akwebango asaganya ababunge kurasobomo bwa Azimio la Umoja kwenike mnako babwatisibale ase okoyaka isiko.
Through the demonstrations. We can only honor them by doing the right thing. We urge you as male legislators and those who want to be on the right side of history to be vigilant and thoroughly scrutinize all the bills that come to the committees and the floor of the House. Let us ensure that they do not claw back on all our negotiated gains. Thirdly, the Kenya Kwanza regime continues its avarice appetite for taxation. The new raft of taxes in the Finance Bill 2024, from bread to M-Pesa transactions and motor vehicle taxes, speaks to their callousness and inhumanity. I notice that Parliament has given the 28th of this month as the last day for those who want to submit the memoranda by way of public participation. The impeachment trial of a Cabinet Secretary for Agriculture and Livestock Development, Ndzi Lenturi, was the biggest farce thus far. That 7 MPs could overturn the vote of 149 members of Parliament. How would you call this? It's absolutely ridiculous. Mr. Lenturi should do the honorable thing and resign. Number 5, this is a clarion call to the Azimio fraternity and all Kenyans of goodwill that you are ready to exercise our constitutional right under Article 37 of the Constitution of Kenya. That is the right to peaceably assemble, to demonstrate, to picket, and to present petitions to public authorities. We thank Conrad Adenauer Stiftung for hosting us this morning. We continue to appreciate your partnership in broadening the democratic space in our country. We thank you.
Munenjere ya moyo kwenekia obukoreri obyeme county ya Meru nigo litkolya lero aba MC korwa ase county yo babagweti omuswada oyobete gukubekwa bosi webunge county yo anene asolingete gosonsora emechando yaberege kwenekigwa ase county ya Meru kubatikana no kulika abakori emirimo kolengana no roboti robetero kubwatu kwa korwa ase muteneneri we budget nigo yaberege kwenekia ng'anigo abakori emirimo gose county yo nigo yabeteke gutumika $1 million na Ikomi ase ogwakana abakori emirimo nonya nabo nigo omo MC Zipora Kinyo yobeteka koleta omuswado yo aberiga kweneke bunamatuko abosi omukweneke obokoreri obya ase okulika abakori emirimo as Chinsa mecho
who have been employed and have no papers, and some of them are on speaker from the grapevine. We are told that they have been employed using fake documents on a speaker, and I'm afraid even some top ranking also apparently seemed to have gotten the positions they are in through using forged documents on a speaker. This manual payroll monster is also not an accident. It is also a design by the governor, or let's say governors, possibly in other counties, to use this as a conduit, Honorable Speaker, to launder monies from the public coffers.
I wish to congratulate our governor because on 28th March this year, they procured the HR system, which is on the process of development. The service provider is already on the ground. He has been given a payroll data. And I remember the first time that we took the governor to the Senate, the first impeachment, because there were so many issues revolving around mismanagement of public service. She was asked about the staff establishment and said she doesn't know what is staff establishment. I believe by now she should have been inducted by those responsible to know about staff establishment and also to know about how the public service is run.
Manche muliyeli akora soro watiruni onikiro mweli obwa mngana maya asebire biga kulende toskato nyegera chikoraga ensa eyemo ayona mangina nyara senchira yobwekano unakoletera nere Josephat Amesi kwendege no tubate sense mochichi mitandao asensema ya Facebook gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, wegesemeria website www.ndizitv.net. Kondo manchi muliyeli anigo kwenye ligwanga ende kwanekenga egetaseni kia Ndizi TV ngotigara kerekoba namba eyemo nabakwenda gutwakira ekura yabo ogwetera ase ogotuma eritakuza okia ase namba eyemo isano nemo enoti eyemo 15601 ogotubarieta kuza okia ase 15601 elindo bekogo chora kwiraneria magoli abolirigali ko kira sigetaseni go station ye TV obeke Ndizi TV asibali bagotumike mitandao yekerero nabokogenda galese website www.kuzawards.co.ke elindo bekogwaka ekura yago bene nyiro manchi mulyelia murobelyo nigore bosakegima turi gwakanyugwa kende igansi kwandi wekirabo nongo kolera emesa ya mangana mayali terene Fridah Kerubo no lianeke mna chibi chaneli gire wekira sole asenchira ebene nere Sara mumanye sinse machi berkelyo ningo tobaterna nere Lydia Mose.